Hello YouTube, it's me again, Jonah. So a few weeks ago, I fixed a flat tire on my wife's Mustang. But my tire pressure indicator says I was starting to lose air pressure at that same tire again. So welcome to today's DIY, how to fix a recently repaired tire or fixing my mistake. So if you like my video and find it interesting or helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. So here we go. I locate my recently repaired tire plug I put in a few weeks ago. And here it is. Now that I've located the spot, I proceed to spray some soap water onto it. Aha, just what I thought.
Yes, 100%. That's where the bubble is.
That's right, 100%. That's where the bubble is. That's where the air is leaking. So, this is the first time I've ever had to redo a repair on my flat tire. And I'll tell you two possibilities that I could have made a mistake on. The first one is my sticky tire plug was old, over 5 years old. And number two, I didn't use rubber cement this time. On my first flat tire repair on my old 94 Probe GT, I used rubber cement and it worked fine. On my second tire repair on a flat tire on the van, I did not use rubber cement and it still worked fine, no problem at all, no leaks. So I figured I didn't have to use rubber cement. But each situation is always different. Anyways, let's go on with the repairs. I take my needle nose plier and try to pull out that visible part of the tire plug. Just be patient and careful, trying not to totally cut off that little piece. Once your needle nose plier has a good grip and you pulled off a little bit longer section, keep working on it and you may need to use another set of pliers. So I've seen other people, when finishing a tire repair like this, they burn off this little section right here. This is one reason why you should not burn it off, because you may have to redo the tire repair again. And if you burn off this little section, you'll never be able to pull out with your needle nose pliers. Twist the plug into like a little pretzel and then use your needle nose pliers again. Notice I rolled the needle nose pliers to the right, using that rolling motion as momentum to pull out the plug slowly and carefully. Each time I twist the plug into a pretzel so it gives me more meat for the needle nose pliers to grab on. Keep working on it until it's almost pulled out. And just before you totally pull it out, get your reamer tool ready and just clean out that hole again by pushing in that reamer tool in and out until you think you've cleaned out that hole well. Then I'll put the reamer tool back in, just to help slow down the leak temporarily until I get my plug ready. Okay, I bought a brand new set of sticky plugs with its tool. Then I put it through the eye of the needle of the insertion tool halfway.
The new rubber cement I just bought.
Yes, I also bought brand new rubber cement. Then I puncture it with its opposite side of the lid. Then I generously apply the rubber cement on my sticky plug. You can tell how generously I put it in because it's dripping all over the tires. Then I pull out my reamer tool and insert it 3/4 of the way, giving the tire another quick clean with the reamer tool. Once it's in, I pull it out quickly. And there you go. Now I trim off that little piece to make it as flush as I can to the tire. And once again, I'll say it's not a good idea to burn off that little piece in case you gotta redo it again, like I had to do. Now I just put in my air to the correct tire pressure, which you can find at the door jamb of the vehicle.
Alright, doesn't look pretty. It works.
Now I proceed to put the soap water again to check if there's any leaks.
No bubbles?
Looking good, no bubbles. Nope, no bubbles.
No bubbles? Good job.
Okay, looking good. Just taking a look at the old tire plug I just pulled out. Now it's time to take it for a test drive. So if you liked my video and found it helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.